Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Famo. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel as always. Now in this video I'll crochet my hair. This baby's washed and ready to be styled, so I'm going to be using some pre-twist hair and a crochet needle, and of course a few rubber bands to show you how I'm going to achieve this look. So stick around to the end of the video. It's going to be so short, so quick. So this is the hair that I'll be using to crochet my hair. It's 22 inches long and the color is like red ombre. This was bought on Amazon. So first thing you want to do is section the front of your hair. Then the front section you're going to put into box parts. I use a little bit of edge booster, so whenever my hair is finished, it looks neat. And ladies, I know we have to slay those baby hairs, so you can leave a little bit out so we can style it after we're finished. Now, what I did with my rubber bands, I put them in moisturizers before I put them into my hair so the root of my hair doesn't get all dried. Now, the reason for the rubber bands at the front is to create an illusion as if my entire hair is all single braided, but really it's not. So you want to go straight back in a row. So the very first section you're going to put together with the second section. Then you're going to keep the part going straight back as if you're doing a regular braid backwards. And then you're going to braid the entire row backwards like so. Then make sure to secure all the ends together at the back, all in one. So what I did was just braid right across the back, everything together, so none of the ends are leaving out. Now it's time to crochet. So what you're going to do is, the hair is already pre-looped, so you're going to put the crochet needle through your hair that you braided, put the loop over the hook. You're gonna lock the needle, pull the needle through. You can take the needle out if this is easier for you. Put the end of the hair through the loop and pull it through to tighten. Here's another easy way to do this. Remember, the hair is pre-looped, so put the needle through your hair. You're going to put the loop over the hook of the needle, lock the needle, pull it through, keep the needle in the loop of the hair, hold the end of the hair, put it over the hook of the needle, lock it, and pull it through the entire loop, then tighten. So whichever method you find easier, you can do that. Either one for me it goes really fast. And ladies, this hairstyle it's so easy to do. It's time conserving, between braiding my hair and doing the entire crochet, it was probably like an hour and a few minutes to get it all done. I found it easy for me to do the crochet row by row, so I started from the bottom to the top, then next braid bottom to the top, and that's what I did, and I found that easier. You could basically start from the bottom to the top or do the entire back, then work your way up to the top. It's really up to you. Here it is, and ladies, this is giving me life from the length to the color. You can basically rock this hair anywhere. Depending on the occasion, you can style your hair differently. And this one is my favorite. This is me. This is giving island girl. Ladies, time is money. Save your money, literally. Save your time and look pretty at the same time. Try this hairstyle. Leave a like. You can comment on this video. Share the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Until next time, peace out.